Okay, this is the Y Hotel in Athens. I'm on the 5th floor. This is, I believe it's a standard room. I'm in room 502. I'm here for work, so I just got a taxi from the airport, and it took approximately half an hour to get from Athens main airport to the Y Hotel. The cost was 38 euros paid in cash with a normal taxi. So, desk area. Some amenities. What's the cost? Okay. What's this? Sorry, I've not actually looked myself yet. Okay, this is the in-room dining. I've got others, pastas. Oh, you don't often see actual proper food. What else is there? Suggestions. That must be feedback. Yep. Okay. So the hotel's really nice. It's got a nice feel to it. I think this is a king bed by the looks of it. I've got some wardrobe space. There's aircon, of course. Safe. Small fridge. Oh no, mini bar. Sorry. Oh, that's a bit retro, isn't it? Yeah, some chocolates. Keep away from those. And some hanging space, which I've already used. Got plenty of hangers, which is nice. I guess these are drawers. Yeah. Cool. There's only 3 rooms, I think. Yes, there are only 3 rooms on this floor. This is the top floor of the hotel. There isn't another floor above us. It looks like, I guess that's 501, because I'm in 502, and that's 503. 501 must be, well, a pretty large room, in fact. Okay, so bathroom, what do we have? Some soap, shampoo, shower gel, some other bits. There's no bath. If you're after that, you'll be a little disappointed. I personally prefer showers. They could do with more lighting in this room. The shower looks okay. I didn't bring toiletries with me, so this will be interesting. That's what I have to go for. I mean, I've got other bits, but... Okay, any charging points? Just normal mains. Now there is a big terrace. So there is a big terrace. Oh, well, it's got little lights. So I'm outside. It's very cold. It's January 2019. So I know you won't be able to see any of this. There's a residential building opposite. That's where the taxi dropped me off. So you've got some seating. It goes around. That is a Pizza Hut restaurant. And I'm not sure about anything else because I've not ventured out yet. Okay. That's it. I mean, the room isn't massive. It's nicely done though. It's quite nice. There's Ethernet. I'm on the Wi-Fi. That seems to be pretty good. So that's it.